Welcome back to my channel. Today we will discuss trigonometric shortcuts. If sin alpha plus cosec alpha is equal to 2, then sin power n alpha plus cosec power n alpha is equal to 2. N plus we will substitute 2, 3, 4 and so on. N sin square alpha plus cosec square alpha is equal to 2. Or next, sin cube alpha plus cosec cube alpha is equal to 2. N equal to 4, we can substitute in this equation. Sin power 4 alpha plus cosec 4 alpha is equal to 2. N value you can visit any real number, okay, any positive real number, you can get answer is 2. Okay, next, if a cos theta minus b sin theta is equal to c, then a sin theta plus b cos theta is equal to plus or minus under root of a square plus b square minus c. Similarly, a sin theta plus b cos theta is equal to c, then a cos theta minus b sin theta is also plus or minus under root of a square plus b square minus c square. Okay. One example, three sin a plus 5 cos a is equal to 5. Then where a is equal to 3, b is equal to 5, this is b, c is 5. Okay. Then 5 sin a minus 3 cos a is equal to plus or minus under root of 3 square plus 5 square minus 5 square, that is 3 square is 3 and root of 3 square is 3 plus or minus 3. Now next one, sin a plus b into sin a minus b is equal to sin square a minus sin square b, that is equal to cos square b minus cos square a. Example is sin square 82.5 degrees minus sin square 22.5 degrees, that is equal to sin square 82.5 is 165, 82.5 is 165 by 2, sin square 165 by 2, 82 into 2 164 plus 1 165 by 2 minus sin square 22 into 2 44, 44 plus 1 45 by 2, sin square a minus sin square b, sin a plus b 165 by 2 plus 45 by 2, sin 165 by 2 minus 45 by 2. This 165 plus 45, 210, 210 by 5 is 105, 210 by 2 is 105 into sin 165 minus 45, 120 by 2, 60. Okay, sin 105 value is, since sin 105 is equal to root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2, root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2 into sin 60 value is root 3 by 2, root 3 into root 3 3 plus 1 into root 3 root 3, 2 into 2 4 root 2, that's enough. Now another one is cos a plus b into cos a minus b is equal to cos square a minus sin square b, that is equal to cos square b minus sin square a. One example, cos square 112.5 degrees minus sin square 52.5 degrees, that is equal to 112 into 2 224 plus 1 225, cos square 225 by 2 minus sin square 52 into 2 104 plus 1 105 by 2, cos square a minus sin square b is cos a plus b, 225 by 2 plus 105 by 2 into cos a minus b, 225 by 2 minus 105 by 2, that is equal to 225 plus 105, 330. 330 by 2 is 330 by 2, 165 into cos 225 minus 105 is 120. 120 by 2 is 60 degrees. Cos 90 plus 75 into, this is 105, here 165. Cos 60 is 1 by 2. Cos 90 plus theta is minus sin 75 into 1 by 2, that value is minus root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2 into 1 by 2, that is equal to cos 60 value 1 by 2, cos a plus b into cos a minus, right, minus root 3 plus 1 by 4 root 2, that's enough. Now another trick is, for a belongs to capital R, then sin a into sin 60 plus a into sin 60 minus a is equal to 1 by 4 into sin 3a. Example, find the value of sin 20 into sin 40 into sin 20 degrees into sin 40 degrees into sin 60 degrees into sin 80 degrees. Okay, here a is equal to 20 degrees, sin 20 degrees, sin 60 minus 20 degrees, sin 60 degrees, sin 60 plus 20 degrees, sin 20 into sin 20 into sin 60 minus 20 into sin 60 plus 20, sin 60 value is root 3 by 2, sin a into sin 60 minus a into sin 60 plus a, 1 by 4 sin 3a, a is 20 into root 3 by 2, sin 60 also 3 into 20, 60, root 3 by 2, root 3 by 2 into root 3 by 2, root 3 by 2 whole square, 1 by 4 into 3 by 4, that is 3 by 16, that's enough. Now another shortcut is cos a into cos 60 minus a into cos 60 plus a is equal to 1 by 4 into cos 3a. Okay, now one example, cos pi by 9 into cos 2 pi by 9 into cos 3 pi by 9 into cos 4 pi by 9 is equal to, pi by 9 is here 20 degrees, since, okay, cos 20 into cos 20 into 20 into 2, 40 into, sorry, here 9, here cos 60 into cos 80, okay, this is a, cos 20 into cos 60 minus 20 into cos 60 plus 20 into cos 60, cos a into cos 60 minus a into cos 60 plus a, that is 1 by 4 into cos 3a, okay, into cos 60 value is 1 by 2, 1 by 4 into 1 by 2, 1 by 8 into cos 60, 1 by 8 into cos 60 value is 1 by 2, that value is 1 by 16, that's enough. Now another trick, if 3a is not odd multiple of pi by 2, then tan A into tan 60 minus A into tan 60 plus A is equal to tan 3A. One example. Find the value of tan 6 degrees into tan 42 degrees into tan 66 degrees into tan 78 degrees. Okay, you can use this formula. Put A is equal to 6 degrees, tan 6 degrees into tan 60 minus 6 degrees into tan 60 plus 6 degrees is equal to tan 3 into 6. That implies tan 6, tan 54, tan 66 is equal to tan 18. This is number 1. Put A is equal to 18 degrees. Substitute in this formula. Tan 18 into tan 60 minus 18, 42 into tan 60 plus 18, 78 is equal to tan 3 into 18, that is tan 54 degrees. This is equation number 2. Multiplying 1 and 2, that implies LHS into LHS, tan 6 into tan 18 into tan 42 into tan 54 into tan 66 into tan 78. LHS into LHS, that is equal RHS into RHS, tan 18 into tan 54 degrees. Tan 54, tan 54, tan 18 can be cancelled here having 1. That implies tan 6 degrees into tan 42 degrees into tan 66 degrees into tan 78 degrees is equal to 1. That's enough. Now another one, another trick. If A comma B comma C are non-zero real numbers and alpha comma beta are solutions of the equation A cos theta plus B sin theta is equal to C. Okay, solving this equation you can get total equation having in variable sin theta. Okay, alpha comma beta are roots means sin alpha comma sin beta are roots of this equation is, now number 1, sin alpha plus sum of roots, sin alpha plus sin beta is equal to 2bc by a square plus b square. Product of roots, sin alpha into sin beta is equal to c square minus a square by a square plus b square. Okay, for suppose cos alpha comma cos beta are roots of this equation is sum of roots cos alpha plus cos beta is equal to 2ca by a square plus b square. Product of roots cos alpha into cos beta is equal to c square minus b square by a square plus b square. One example, sin alpha comma sin beta are the roots of A means 5 cos theta plus 3 sin theta is equal to 5. A value is here 5, B value is 3, C is 5. Okay. Sum of roots. Sum of roots means sin alpha plus sin beta is equal 2 into BC 3 into 5 15 by A square plus B square 25 plus 9 30 by 34. Okay. Product of roots. Product of roots is sin alpha into sin beta is equal to C square 5 square minus A square, this is also 5 square, by A square plus B square 25 plus 9, 0 by 34, that value is 0. That's enough. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel for more tricks.